Hello and welcome. If you've always wanted to be able to strum and sing at the same time, but you just feel like something is not clicking, like it's not flowing nicely, this course is for you. It's a 4-day or 4-video course. You can binge watch it or you can take it one day at a time. The speed really is up to your comfort level. I've created a PDF printable that you can use as well. So after you watch the video, if you want to practice on your own without the video, there's a printable just for you. But everything that you need will be here in the tutorials. Let me show you the song that we're going to be working with, but the principles that we learn in this course will help you sing any song that you want to sing. Stars, stars shining bright above you. Night breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore trees. Dream a little dream of me. Okay, for today's video, we're just going to sing and strum the first line. That's it, nothing crazy. So I would like for you to give me a C, just a down strum on C. Again. B7. Again. F. We are going to add the singing after this. F again. And G7. And one more. Good. Okay, so now let's try it with some flow. Okay, so with some flow, so it'll be like this: down, 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 down. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. You got this. Ready? Go. Breathe. Relax the shoulders. Okay. Now, the first note that we're singing for this song is, if you can find it, if you pick your open C string. Stars, stars shining bright above you. Sing that with me. 1, 2, just the singing. Go. Stars shining bright above you. One more time, just for fun. Ready? Go. Stars shining bright above you. Okay, so now let's add the singing and the strumming together. For this particular song, we have a strum before we sing. So it sounds like this. Stars. So it's strum, sing. Ready? Go. Stars. And for the word shining, we have B7. Shining. So it will sound like this. Stars shining. So on shy of shining, strum that B7. Okay, stars. Stars shining. 2 more times. Ready? Go. Stars shining. 1 more time. Ready? Go. Stars shining. Now let's do a few more words. It'll be stars shining brighter. We're not going to finish the word above. We're just going to say stars shining brighter. Okay, with a strum first. Stars shining brighter. Again. Ready? Go. Stars shining brighter. 2 more times. 1, 2. You can do it. Go. Stars shining brighter. 1 more time. 1, 2. Ready. Go. Stars shining brighter. The reason I'm doing repetitions is because we learn so well when we memorize, and the best way to memorize is to just do something over and over again. Okay, so now let's add the rest of the phrase. Here it's above, as in above, and then you. So I'm gonna say above you. And we're just gonna stay on the F for right now. Ready, go. Love you. Ready, go. Love you. 2 more times. Ready, go. Love you. 1 more time. Ready, go. Love you. After you've sung the word you, we're gonna do G7. So it will sound like this. Stars shining bright above you. See how I said you, then strum? So don't do love you. Okay, let's do love you. Try it with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Stars shining bright above you. Again, ready, go. Stars shining bright above you. Okay, so now we're going to add a few more strums to make the song feel like it's moving. It's gonna sound more natural. Watch me do it first and then we'll do it together. 1, 2, ready, and stars shining bright above you. Okay, so now I'm strumming before stars, on stars, shining and bright. So it's strum, stars, shining, bright. Okay, so at the same time we're saying a word, we're doing a strum. Let's go slower this time, but we can do it. 1, 2, ready, go. Stars shining bright. 1, 2, 3 more times, go. Stars shining bright. 2 more times, go. Stars shining bright. 1 more time, go. Stars shining bright. Okay, so now let's finish the line. We have above you. So it's above, strum, you, strum. And we have 2 strums there at the end. So let me show you what that sounds like. Above you. Again, above you. Let's try it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Above you. 2 more times. Ready, go. Above you. 1 more time. Ready, go. Above you. Okay, so that whole line is your homework and it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stars shining bright above you. Please remember this point in the video so that when you're practicing, you can just skip right to it. I'm gonna do a 4-time repeat of just that first line, okay? Just the first line. Because the song is 4 lines long, what we're doing, so this is day 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Stars shining bright above you. 1, 2, again, go. Stars shining bright above you. 1, 2, again, go. Stars shining bright above you. 1 last time, go. Stars shining bright above you. Okay, so you're done with day 1 of the lesson. I recommend you try this again 1 more time before you go on to the next one. Just the more practice that you get in is really going to help with anything that you do in the future. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. That helps the channel do well. Subscribe to the channel. That also helps it continue growing, thriving, and bringing more people to the music world. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Please, please, please go to the next video. Once you're ready, I will see you there. Ciao!